Crochet a boxing glove keychain with me. For this project I used double knit weight yarn in red and white, crochet hook size 2.5mm, a keychain fob, Fibrefill Toy Stuffing, a yarn needle and scissors. The approximate finished size is 3 inches. A list of the abbreviations I used is in the description. Using red yarn, chain 7. Round 1. From the back loop of the second chain, single crochet 5. Single crochet 3 into the last chain. Work around the other side of the chain and single crochet 4. Single crochet increase the last stitch for a total of 14 stitches in the round. Don't slip stitch, continue around. Round 2. Single crochet increase the first stitch and single crochet 4. Single crochet increase 1, single crochet 1, half double crochet increase 1, single crochet 4, single crochet increase 1, single crochet 1 for a total of 18 stitches for the round. Round 3. Single crochet 1, single crochet increase 1, single crochet 5, single crochet increase 1, half double crochet 1 and double crochet increase 1. Half double crochet 5, double crochet increase 1, half double crochet 2 for a total of 22 stitches in the round. Rounds 4 to 13, single crochet 22 for a total of 10 rounds. Turn your work the right way round. Oops. Round 14. Use a stitch marker if you wish. Single crochet 5. Single crochet decrease 2. So insert your hook into the front loops of the next 2 stitches, pull through a loop and work as a single crochet. Single crochet 13 for a total of 20 stitches in the round. Round 15, single crochet 4, single crochet decrease 2, single crochet 12 for a round total of 18 stitches. To create the palm shape, turn the glove halfway inside out, making sure the seam is even, and count back 6 rows, and sew 5 or 6 stitches over rounds 7 to 9. Pull tight and secure the ends. Turn back the right way round and stuff lightly. Round 16, single crochet 18 for a round total of 18 stitches. Round 17, in the back loop only, single crochet decrease 9 times for a round stitch count of 9 stitches. Slip stitch 1 into the first stitch of the round and cut the yarn, leaving a long tail for sewing. Stuff a little more, sew the hole closed, and trim all loose ends. Work the rest in rows. Rejoin the yarn into the stitch left of the middle, chain 1, single crochet 1, same stitch, single crochet 16 for a total row count of 17 stitches. Wrist, row 2, chain 1, turn, single crochet 17 for a row total of 17 stitches. Wrist rows 3 and 4, chain 1, turn, single crochet 17 for a row total of 17 stitches and a total of 2 rows. Cut your yarn, fasten off and sew any loose ends. For the border, into the first stitch of wrist row 1, join white yarn and chain 1. Single crochet 1 into the same stitch. Working along the edge of the rows, single crochet 2. Single crochet 2 into the corner stitch. Single crochet 15 along the top edge. Single crochet 2 into the corner stitch. Working along the edge of the rows, single crochet 3. And slip stitch 1 into the first stitch of the round. Cut yarn, fasten off and sew loose ends. For the laces, use 20 inches of white yarn folded in half. Attach at the halfway point to the last stitch of the border, using only one of the strands, chain 3. And slip stitch 1 into the opposite corner of the border. Chain 10 and fasten off. Go back to the first stitch and pull through a loop from the other strand. Chain 2 and slip stitch 1 into the first stitch of the border. Chain 3 and slip stitch 1 into the opposite corner of the border. Chain 10 and fasten off. Trim the ends evenly and put to one side a moment. For thumb round 1, using red yarn in a magic ring, chain 1 and single crochet 6. Pull the yarn tail to close the ring. Don't slip stitch, continue around. Thumb round 2, single crochet 1, single crochet increase 1, 3 times for a total of 9 stitches. Thumb round 3, single crochet 9 for a round total of 9 stitches. Thumb round 4, single crochet decrease 1, single crochet 3, a single crochet increase 1, single crochet 3 for a round total of 9 stitches. Thumb round 5, repeat thumb round 4. Thumb round 6, double crochet 7, and half double crochet 2. for a round total of 9 stitches. Thumb round 7, single crochet 9, slip stitch 1 into the first stitch of the round, cut yarn, fasten off and leave a long tail for sewing. Stuff lightly and sew to the side of the glove over rounds 13 to 15. And sew all loose ends. Attach a keychain fob and it's complete. Leave a comment, what do you think? Okay, love you, bye.